So it's spring, and you know what that means. It's time to build another guitar. I built my first guitar under lockdown last summer. And I took my time with it, but this time I'm going to do it a little differently. First of all, I signed up for the Great Guitar Build-Off 2021. Secondly, I promised my wife to build it over a week, 7 days, but over a 2-week period. But should I sign up for the scratch build competition where you build a guitar from scratch, or the kit build competition where you buy more or less finished parts and put them together? The scratch build is definitely cooler and more challenging, but what will give me the best results? Buy a NOVO, you might say, but I don't have the money for that. At the end of the day, I'm not building to build, I'm building to play. I'm building because I really want a P90 guitar. If I buy an unfinished neck, I can still make my own headstock, give it my own finish. I can tweak the knot and the frets until they're just right. But is it cheaper to build a neck from scratch? Well, not much, I think, because on top of the material for the neck, I also need the tools I don't have. I want to be cool, but I don't think it makes any sense for me because I think it will be better and cheaper if I buy a neck. And who doesn't like better and cheaper? But it's okay that I'm not that cool as long as the guitar is. So I'm signing up for the kit build. But this time I'm gonna buy an unfinished neck though, just to give myself more options. Now I just need to find the right neck. Preferably in Europe, if possible a paddle headstock, rosewood fingerboard, Fender style bolt-on neck, and maybe roasted maple. Okay, I'll see what I can do. I think that's it. And I haven't changed my building philosophy, don't invent the wheel. So my role model and inspiration is the NOVO Series T model. So for the pickups, I decided on Fralin hum cancelling P90 for the neck, and for the bridge, a split steel pole Tele. The parts will be Emerson, the capacitor Emerson, and the bridge will be a Goto in tune Tele bridge. But what about the body? Well, now that it's a kit build, I can use one of the bodies I built last summer as part of the kit. So, this is it. This is the body I'm going to use. I'm really happy with this one. How I made this from these floorboards from 1808, I'm going to show you in the next video. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, hit the bell icon. I'll see you next time.